He had a breath, huh?
On my ass.
That's right. He got your butthole wet, my nigga. Little brown marks.
Fuck, dog.
You shit on yourself, my nigga.
What the fuck up? Shut your stupid ass foot, fool.
Full rush that fool, dog.
Rush that nigga, fool.
Who? Shot him?
Fuck.
Rush that fool and fuck it, dog. Yeah, I wanna get on video. We gonna rush you, dog. What the fuck, you little scary ass nigga? That fool went like this.
That fool hit you in my face, dude.
Just say I had to play that one off, huh? You still grabbing your ass, huh, fool? Rush that fool. Rush that fool, dog. Creep up. Creep up. Creep up. Creep up way. Creep up way. Creep up. What kind of fucking creeping is that way?
I tried to creep on him, fool.
Did it work? Hey, Shadow knows though, fool. That's why he's been standing his back against the fence the whole time. Yeah, boy. It's alright, fool. I just gotta grab him, dog, and the rest of it just take flight on him. Oh, you think he's a little taekwondo master, huh? That look like capoeira, nigga.
Fuck, dog, I got a wet ass, fool.
Your butthole wet? Yeah, nigga.